you know, as the chairman mentioned in his remarks, and as we know, 40% of the children in our city live in the 2 wards east of the Anacostia River. And as of this moment, before this facility, these children would have to really be transported across the city to the emergency room on the main campus at Children's National Medical Center, which everyone knows is a world-class facility. But Children's actually serves as the go-to place for the whole region. And as a result, there's a lot of, I wouldn't say overcrowding, but there's a lot of utilization. And we need additional capacity for emergency services for young people. Many people may not appreciate that the emergency room protocol is different for children as it's different for children than adults. And you need to specialize to get the highest quality care, and that's why there is such a thing as a children's pediatric ER. And this facility means that the community that it surrounds it, the 2 wards it surrounded, and also the Maryland counties close by, that parents are going to have access to a high quality emergency room with less of a wait and less of a distance to travel. And I think that is a win. I do believe that this facility will save young children, and I believe it will ease a great deal of pain and suffering, and I believe it is the right thing to do because the children in this community are as entitled as any to the best.
Oh, yeah, we can only call this place odds. You know, here we are in Kansas. Nothing negative against Kansas, you know, but thinking Dorothy, as you travel through those doors and you just get overwhelmed with the sights and the colors and just all the technology. So it is a world-class place, and I think that any parent would feel most comfortable bringing their child here. Hopefully that's reflective of the overall United Medical Center, but the additional resources that are now available through Children's is comforting. And just walking through the door, and we talk about the aura or the power of the bear. It is just very comforting. As a father of 6 children, nothing is more concerning than when it comes to the health and well-being of your children. And just knowing that they are in the hands of experts really is a comforting resource.
This is an area where children have been not underserved, but they have to come over to our main campus at Michigan Avenue. And these families struggle with how to get from place to place. They depend on public transportation, friends and neighbors. So we're bringing them state-of-the-art pediatric ED experience right in their backyard. It's beautiful. It is so beautiful. We have state-of-the-art equipment. It's bright. It's sunshiny. We are welcoming our families. They're not going to have to sit in a bed. We have chairs for our asthmatic patients where mama can hold them and comfort them while they're getting treatments, because sometimes that's a scary thing. So we're able to provide them the same level of care that they get at our main campus.
So this is so important to kids in the sense that it will increase or improve the access that children have to health care, which is so important. I mean, there are other facilities here, but Children's being, you know, a premier children's hospital, that's all we do, that's what we specialize in. This is our, you know, this is our greatest strength, children. For us to be here and to provide the health to patients in their vicinity is so important, because we have so many children who go so far to get to the main campus. The layout is great. It'll be really nice for the children, and the technology in this space is great. So we have everything we need at our fingertips.
I want the parents in this area around the hospital to understand that this is going to be Children's National Medical Center level quality care. We're going to be bringing our doctors and our nurses to the neighborhood so that they can expect the same level of care that they would get at the main hospital.
It represents an opportunity for children to actually have access to emergency room services in their neighborhood. Children's National Medical Center, with the opening of our pediatric center here at United Medical Center, really is extending its reach across the river. So an exciting day, an exciting opportunity for our patients and families. It's amazing, it's so wonderful, and I think for this community to be able to see that they can have access to the same level and quality of services that we offer at our Sheikh Zayed campus. Just a great day for our kids in our neighborhood.